Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Suburban LT. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, and window defogger.